supposed to be real.
You want to sit down, Lacey? There's a chair over here. You know. It ain't gonna come back here. If it does, rerun.
Well, she's back there by Mark where she thinks she's safe.
We'll protect you, won't we, baby? Huh?
Fuck. Tigger the dog's in there and barking.
I know.
You're gonna like it.
Well, him, you'd have to be back there and gripping.
Watch, Lacey.
Ooh. Oh, looky there. It lights up after it
It's supposed to do that. It's supposed to do that.
It is?
Yep.
Well, I'm glad it did then, aren't you?
It has to go out in the rocks, and the rocks
Watch.
bite it and go. It goes. It don't pop.
It don't set anything on fire if it gets down there on the rocks, does it? Watch, Lacey.
Man.
Maybe go for it.
There it goes. Well, it went out of... No, it didn't either. There it goes. Oh, it went a little farther, didn't it?
Yeah, it went over that big tree and went.
Well, is it that dry, Charles?
There goes a rabbit.
Yeah, you scared him out.
Scared him out.
A little bit high.
Yeah, probably.
If we can get it,
There's another one down there.
There it goes.
that was the same
Scare
one.
them to death. Scare the poor little rabbits to
Big
death.
one, and a little one.
Yeah, right in the yard.
Well, I thought I kept seeing that, and it's lightning bugs. I saw down there.
Watch.
Let that one out.
I'm watching you.
We put a Roman candle that was left over in the trash, and I didn't even know it was in there, and somebody started the
It's
trash.
still lit.
Sure is.
And this was quite a bit after the 4th, and the thing went
Hey, pick it up real quick and
went across the alley and lit on somebody's garage
Me,
roof, and it,
Hi, Lacey.
started shaking.
I'm staying here tonight for one night.
Charles, why are you doing it that way? Oh, but it's liable to blow up in your face. I'd be careful.
Well, I want to make sure
Put it in the fire out there.
Yeah.
And when we start home, it'll accidentally go off.
He likes the bananas.
I got these.